Babe, how you doing in there?
I'm good. I'll be out in a minute.
Okay, please hurry. I really have to go.
Oh, this is so much easier with the instructions. Okay, let's take the old girl for a spin. Cool. Oh. All right, yeah.
How much longer? I'm gonna burst.
I'll be done shortly.
I can't wait any longer.
Ah! Okay, you ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go.
Okay. All right. Oh, that's nice.
You want a little warmer?
Yes, please.
Okay, let me turn up the temperature. All right, you good?
Maybe a little longer.
So how's this part gonna work?
Hey guys.
Obviously you don't use a bidet this way, but that still does not negate the fact that you should absolutely have one.
Yes.
Right.
Once you start using one, you will never go back. It's the only way to stay fresh and clean and not use a ton of toilet paper to wipe your booty.
It beats smearing crap along your booty, basically, and as a man, it's extra helpful for cleaning and being clean. So definitely grab one. They're cheap. Special thanks to Tushy for sponsoring this video. I went to them because I said I really wanted to do a fun bidet video, and they were totally game for it, so good on them. And they make the best designed bidets we've ever seen. That's why I reached out to them specifically. So pick up some and do yourself a favor. Do not Google Tushy because you will get something completely different.
Yes.
Click the link in the video description below to get yours today. You will not regret it, I promise you.
Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.